You there, have you ever experienced the ways of a car? The act of driving could be as mysterious as a fox. But also as dangerous as stepping on Lego. In 2018, up to 40% of Manitobans died in fatal accidents, all because they didn't wear a seatbelt. Wearing a seatbelt is important. It not only feels like a free hug, but you also save a life. In Manitoba, 100 drivers die each year by not doing the right thing, but we can do better. When wearing a seatbelt, make sure the strap is tight around your shoulders and waist. Never leave a seatbelt twisted or under your arm, as it decreases the maximum safety of the seatbelt. When worn correctly, buckling up can reduce fatal crash injuries by up to 45%. Seatbelts are for everyone, for all ages. There's no discrimination for wanting to be safe. Tell your friends, your uncles, your aunts, your long-lost cousins to buckle up whenever you get the chance.
For more driving tips, watch The 60-Second Driver Thursdays at 6 on CTV News. Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance.